Hello everyone. So today we'll start with our class 10th chapter, that is polynomials. Okay. So first of all, what is a polynomial? Polynomial होता क्या है? So polynomial एक algebraic expression होता है which contains two or more than two terms. Fine. For example, if I write any polynomial in f(x), so अगर मैं कोई भी polynomial x में लिखूंगी, I will denote it as fx. So let f of x is equal to like this, and the terms go on till fine. So suppose this is our polynomial. So in this term, this and this, these are known as the terms. This is one term, this is another term, next and next term. Fine. And an minus 1, a1, a naught, these are the coefficients. These are the coefficients. Okay. So now we'll consider, for example, if I write p of x, you can denote polynomial by anything. P of x, q of x, r of x. X denotes that the polynomial is in terms of x, कि वो polynomial x की terms में है. So it is equal to 3x minus 2, let's say. So this is also a polynomial which is in terms of x, where coefficient of x is 3. X का coefficient 3 है and the constant term is minus 2. Fine. Another example, suppose I write a polynomial in y, so I will denote it as qy. Suppose I write 3y square plus 2y minus 10. So here my constant term is minus 10, coefficient of y is 2 and coefficient of y square is 3. And if I talk about the terms, so this is one term, this is another term, and this is the third term. Okay. Now let's talk about degree of a polynomial. So what do you mean by degree of a polynomial? Degree of a polynomial is basically highest power. It is basically the highest power in the polynomial. It is the highest power of a polynomial. Suppose I write 3x plus half. So what will be the highest power? Highest power is 1 because x की highest power 1 है. So its degree is 1. Its degree is 1. If I write 2y square minus 3y by 2 plus 1. So here one power is 2 and the another power of y is 1. So degree होगी 2. Why degree is 2? Because जो highest power है that is 2. So the degree over here is 2. Okay. Degree over here is 2, right? So our next topic is types of polynomials. So we have various types of polynomial. First, on the basis of the degree, कि उसकी degree क्या है? If the degree is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on. And next is on the basis of the number of terms, कि उस polynomial के अंदर terms कितनी है. First of all, we'll discuss this. So on the basis of degree, linear polynomial means whose degree is 1. Linear polynomial is the polynomial whose degree is 1. So if the degree is 1, suppose if I write root 3t plus 5, here the degree of a polynomial is 1. You can see t की power कितनी है? 1. So it's a polynomial, it's a linear polynomial. Okay. Suppose I write 2x minus 3. So here the power of x is 1. So it's a linear polynomial. Next comes quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial is one whose degree is 2. Degree is 2, for example, 3x square plus 5x plus 6. What is the highest power here? Highest power is 2. So a quadratic polynomial is one whose highest power is 2 or whose degree is 2. Next comes your cubic polynomial. Cubic is a polynomial whose degree is 3. That means the highest power is 3. So if I take one example for this, so 2x cube plus 8x square minus 7x plus 4. Here the degree is 3. The highest power is 3. So that is a cubic polynomial, and biquadratic polynomial is the one whose degree is 4. For example, ax4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus c. One more thing, have you seen? We always write the powers in the descending order, starting with the highest power and then we move towards the constant. Okay, now if I see here, so on the basis of the number of terms, it's monomial, binomial and trinomial. So monomial means which contains single term. Monomial means it contains single term. For example, if I write 3t or if I write pq, so it's a single term. Okay, binomial means two terms. For example, 3t minus 4. See, terms are always separated by plus or minus sign in between. Terms कैसे separate होती है? या तो उनके बीच में प्लस साइन आए या उनके बीच में माइनस साइन आए तो हमारी टर्म सेपरेट हो जाती है. ऐसे ही सपोज आई राइट 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 4x. सो इसके अंदर भी कितने टर्म्स है? इट हैज टू टर्म्स. तो इसके अंदर क्योंकि दो टर्म्स है सो इट्स अ बाइनोमियल. ट्राइनोमियल मीन्स थ्री टर्म्स. Three terms like 5x square plus 6x minus 9. Or I can write 3x square plus 5x plus 2. Okay, so how will you learn? See, try means 3, so it contains 3 terms. Bi means 2, so 2 terms. Mono means 1. Mono का मतलब 1 होता है, so that why it contains single term. Okay, and here linear means degree is 1, quadratic degree is 2, cubic degree is 3 and biquadratic our degree is 4. I hope this part is clear to you all. Now we'll discuss few more polynomials like a constant polynomial. Constant polynomial is one which contains a constant term, जिसके अंदर constant term होती है और constant polynomial की degree is 0. इसकी कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल की डिग्री 0 होती है एंड इट कंटेन्स अ कांस्टेंट टर्म. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ इट कंटेन्स 3 ओनली, और आई कैन राइट gx इज इक्वल टू -3/2. सो दैट इज अ कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट लेट्स फाइंड आउट दैट हाउ डू वी फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल. ओके, हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल. नेक्स्ट कम्स हाउ टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल. दैट मीन्स आपको एक पॉलिनोमियल गिवन है और आपको उसकी वैल्यू निकालनी है. सो सपोज मेरे पास एक क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल है f(x) इज इक्वल टू 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 3x माइनस 2 और मुझे इसकी वैल्यू निकालनी है एट x इज इक्वल टू 3 एंड x इज इक्वल टू -1. लेट्स एट x इज इक्वल टू 3 एंड x इक्वल टू -1. उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? सिंपली आपकी जो x की वैल्यू है वो आपको यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी है. So first of all if I find out f of 3 means मैं x को 3 से रिप्लेस कर दूंगी. आप देख रहे हैं x की जगह 3 आ रहा है. दैट मीन्स पूरे एक्सप्रेशन में जहाँ जहाँ x की जगह x होगा वहाँ पर 3 आएगा. सो दिस विल बिकम x स्क्वायर मतलब 3 का स्क्वायर माइनस 3 इंटू 3 माइनस 2. नेक्स्ट 2 इंटू 3 का स्क्वायर इज 9 माइनस 3 3 is 9 माइनस 2. If I solve this I get 18 minus 9 minus 2. This becomes 7. Right? So what is the value of this fx at 3? That is 7. That means f of 3 is 7. मतलब x की इस fx की क्या वैल्यू होगी for x equal to 3. Similarly if I find out for -1. Okay? So this becomes 2 into -1 का square -3 into -1 and -2. दैट मीन्स जहाँ जहाँ x था वहाँ हमने उसको -1 से रिप्लेस कर दिया. नाउ इफ आई सॉल्व दिस तो यू ऑल नो कि अगर नेगेटिव नंबर की पावर इवन होती है तो वो नंबर पॉजिटिव हो जाता है क्योंकि माइनस माइनस इज प्लस. सो दिस विल बिकम 2. माइनस माइनस इज प्लस, सो दिस विल बिकम +3 and -2. 2 and -2 will cancel out, so f of -1 is 3. So this is how you find out the value of any polynomial. आपको कोई भी polynomial given है, जिस भी वैल्यू के लिए आपसे वैल्यू मांगी जाएगी, जिस भी x के लिए, you simply substitute that value of x in the expression and you will get the value of that complete polynomial. Okay? So our next topic is zero of a polynomial. Our next topic is zero of a polynomial. zero of a polynomial, or if I say with what is the root of a polynomial to find the solution of a polynomial, it's one of the same thing. So how do we do that? How do we find the zero of a polynomial? Okay, so we all have done. Suppose I have an expression fx is equal to, I have an expression x square minus 5x plus 6. If I do the middle term splitting over here, so let me explain you what is middle term splitting. Middle term splitting is, this is the constant term and this is the coefficient of x square. So you multiply both of them, multiply 6 and 1. 6 and 1 gives you 6. Now find out the factors of 6. तो 6 के क्या क्या फैक्टर्स होते हैं? एक होता है 3 into 2 और एक होता है 6 into 1. हम इनमें से वो फैक्टर्स चूज करेंगे जिनको ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करके वी गेट -5. सो वी नो कि we can get 6 minus 1 also as 5, -5 minus 6 plus 1 करेंगे तो, and -3 and -2 करेंगे then also we'll get -5. So here I can write it as -3x minus 2x plus 6. Now what we do, we take common from these two terms and these two terms. इन दो terms में से common लेंगे. अगर मैं यहाँ से common लेती हूँ, so I'll take x common. अगर मैंने x कॉमन लिया तो इस टर्म में से एक x रह जाएगा, so 1 x is there, and from this term I have taken x common and only 3 is left, so -3. Similarly here I'll take minus common, 2 और 6 में से 2 common है तो 2 is there and then x minus 3. Okay, so this becomes x minus 3 into x minus 2, right? If I equate it to 0, so I will get x equal to 2 and 3. Fine. So what do you mean by zero of a polynomial? अगर ये इसके roots हैं x equal to 2 और 3, हम इनको zeros भी बोलते हैं कि ये इस polynomial के zeros हैं, ये इस polynomial के roots हैं या ये इस polynomial के solutions हैं. ठीक है? How to verify? जब आप इसको verify करने लगेंगे, so what you do is आप x की value 2 substitute करेंगे इस expression में. Let me substitute. अगर मैं x की जगह यहाँ 2 डालती हूँ, this becomes 2 का square, ये बनेगा -5 into 2 plus 6. This becomes 4 minus 10 plus 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. So how do we tell whether the number, given number is the zero of a polynomial or not? कैसे पता चलेगा कि जो given number है ये 0 है या नहीं? यहाँ तो हमने middle term splitting करके देखा, so we know. But if you do not middle term split, तो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? You simply substitute the value of that x in the expression. अगर आपके fx की वैल्यू 0 आती है, अगर वो 0 आएगी then that value is the zero of a polynomial, otherwise not. Similarly you can check for f of 3 and you will find that f of 3 is also equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, that means ये इसका solution नहीं है, ये इसका root नहीं है. Right? So it's important that if this number is the root or the solution of a polynomial, then f of this number will always give you 0. That is how we find out the zero of a polynomial. I hope it is clear to you all, and if you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel and share it for further videos. Thank you.